What does Twitter, Square, and massages have in common? Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter and Square, is also a professionally licensed masseuse. I had no idea either. And to be honest, I would love to get a lovely oil massage from him while being lectured on just innovation, entrepreneurship, and what else? Disruption. Welcome to Stocks I Like. This week we're talking about a company started by a handsome bearded man named Jack Dorsey. The word disruption is being thrown around a lot these days, and for good reason. Old and established industries are succumbing to their lack of agility and bureaucratic practices. New, smaller, and faster startups are rapidly threatening the old names in many sectors. Banking and finance, being some of the oldest industries, have seen the empire starting to crumble gradually. With the inability to attract new customers and many younger audiences moving to crypto and online financing, the banking industry is taking a huge shift rapidly over the past decade. Square has been at the forefront of this, and their goal of empowering small business owners is something that I truly believe is one of the most caring mindsets that any company has ever had. Let's take an example. If you're a small business owner, let's say you have a small bakery, in this day and age, trying to survive on cash payments alone will not only reduce your income, but turn away potential customers. And if you want a credit card machine, the extortionate rate at which you're charged would simply ruin your small business. This is where Square comes in. This is why Square is so important. It's helping out the little guy. With their small headphone jack card reader, it's giving a chance to the little guy. The reason why I like Square so much is that their company is based on giving an opportunity at a low cost, to someone that is trying to start their own business and help them build. Just think, every time you go to a store that uses Square, it's a small bakery or it's a small ice cream store, whatever, cafe, anything, you're helping out the little guy. You're saying fuck you to the big businesses. Although, yes, they are convenient, you're saying fuck you. Your money speaks volumes. Wherever you spend it means you support a certain thing, whether you do it consciously or not. This is why Square is important. This is why helping our small business, this is why I like the company so much. Now for investing. This is another long-term scenario. Square is its own financial firm with over 24 million users. It is as good as saying that they are a bank with 24 million customers. Wherever you are in the world, just imagine your local banks and the number of customers they have. They have been operating for decades, if not over a century. Square has been around for 11 years. Their customer base is still growing and it'll still continue to grow, and they're always pushing for innovation. They have other services, other platforms, more customers are using it. Digital currencies are becoming more relevant, and Square also sees that. You can't beat innovation. Let's take a stock market perspective. We're looking at stocks. If you want a growth stock, you can't beat innovation. Remember, do your homework and think for yourself.